Hey, what's up everybody? It's the People's Crypto. I'm back again with another video. We have some interesting new developments in the cryptocurrency space, but before we dive in, please keep in mind that this video is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and please seek out a financial advisor with a background in cryptocurrencies or digital assets. Our first story is titled 5 Reasons for Bitcoin's Price Surge to a New 15-Month High. First reason is PayPal announcing support for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Ethereum. The second reason is major banks are starting to change their attitude towards Bitcoin. The third reason is the number of publicly listed companies which buy Bitcoin increases. The fourth reason is Singapore's biggest bank reportedly launches a Bitcoin exchange. And the fifth reason is uncertainty around the upcoming 2020 US presidential elections. All of these things are positive for Bitcoin. And I'd also like to add to that the uncertainty in the global stock markets. A lot of traditional investors are looking to gain exposure in the cryptocurrency space, more specifically Bitcoin, with all of the positive news surrounding Bitcoin and other coins potentially maybe going from 3x to potentially 10x in the future. So a lot of new investors are looking to get into the space and definitely want to protect and hedge themselves against the incoming global inflation. Let's take a look at the next story. It says banking giant JP Morgan releases its own stablecoin. About a year and a half after its announcement, JP Morgan Chase has released its stablecoin. The American multinational investment bank and financial services company has presented digital assets showing its beliefs in the blockchain technology and cryptocurrencies. As per a recent news report, JP Morgan Coin is already live and reportedly used by a large technology company to send payments across the world. The newborn digital asset is considered an indication of the pro-digital currency aims of the company and an expectation that more commercial clients will use its stablecoin in the future. I think this is actually pretty interesting and weird, but we already do have stablecoins that individuals can access and use. And we have Bitcoin, which is the best store of value and the easiest way to send payments across the world. I don't think there was a need for JP Morgan to have their own JP Morgan coin. I think that was actually a waste of time and money. But anyway, let's take a look at the next story. It says Grayscale study COVID-19 made Bitcoin even more attractive to US investors. It says the number of US-based investors interested in Bitcoin continues to increase according to Grayscale Investments 2020 report on the cryptocurrency. The leading digital asset manager also noted that COVID-19 pandemic has exemplifies Bitcoin's merits and made it even more captivating to investors. With all of the adoption and positive news surrounding Bitcoin and other crypto assets, it's only obvious that a lot of traditional investors want to gain exposure into the cryptocurrency space because people want to make money and they also want to keep their wealth. We have a lot of reports coming out about the impending global inflation and hyperinflation. Also, there's news of central bank digital currencies coming into forefront perhaps sometime next year. So a lot of investors want to protect and hedge themselves from all of the dangers that's surrounding this great reset that we're hearing so much about. And also they want to protect themselves against this incoming global inflation. So it just makes sense that they would want to gain access to a new emerging market, I would say. So makes absolute sense, and even more US investors, and I would say investors globally, will want to gain access to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at the current cryptocurrency prices. Right now we have a Bitcoin price of $13,731.64. Ethereum is $405.84. Tether is $1. XRP is 25 cents. Bitcoin Cash is $266.52. Binance Coin is $31.77. Polkadot is $4.75. Chainlink is $12.09. Litecoin is $58.60, and Bitcoin SV is $175.85. But that is going to wrap it up for this video. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. On YouTube, we're also on ODYSSEY, LBRY, and we are on BitLink as well. I will include the links to all the news articles in the description below. And that's going to do it for this video. And thank you for listening. And I will see you guys and gals later.